Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to open manual and get more coins on the game Bunker Wars. You have to start by press on the three lines at the top. Now click on Knowledge Base and right now click on all guides what they show to you. So let's say upgrading builds. Then scroll down, you can write it if you don't know how to do it. Then scroll down and click Collect Rewards. Then close it and go to another one, let's say Snaking. Same, go down and Collect Rewards. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.